We have got wall, the grandson again.
They didn't get me yet on this one.
We have all sorts of wall coverings. Mementos.
That's
We
a
have
real Venice painting.
the couch. We have more wall decorations. Okay. Now we're moving into, we have more chairs. And we have a grandfather. We have a closet. This is a pantry, probably filled with food and stuff. Yeah. Okay. And the other side is probably also food.
I thought he was from the witch.
It's funny you said that. Okay. Now in here we have kitchen cabinets. We have a main counter all the way across, and we have a kitchen sink. We have drawers. This is all filled with dishes and pots and stuff. We have appliances. We have a microwave, a toaster, and a toaster oven. We have a can opener. We have a Westinghouse hot point stove. And we have a refrigerator. This is a hot point, no frost, 18.2 cubic foot refrigerator. We have a stereo speaker. We have some more. We have rare collectible plates. We have a ceiling fan. There we go. So you can see all the stuff up there. And we have the kitchen witch. That's going to make you sick. By kitchen witch room. From a furniture perspective, we have a hutch and a sort of like a dresser. We have a mixed bunch of stuff up there. We have a lamp, a stereo stand, and a stereo. Remote control, double deck tapes, CD, what else? We have another chest of drawers over here. Whoops, wrong way, sorry about that. And we have a desk and a chair and a shelf. We have a window treatment over here. We have vertical blinds. We have a matching window treatment, except it's horizontal blinds over here.
No.
And in here we have silverware sets and linens in this drawer, Dad.
Huh?
Silverware sets and...
Silverware and... yeah. That's the silverware.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Tablecloths.
Yeah, just...
Linen. I got it?
Yep.
Here, a little junk linen.
Yep. Okay. Okay, now we're moving to the living room. Who are these handsome people over here, huh? Who are these handsome people? I don't know who they are. Okay. Here, oil painting on the wall. We have a large, let's see, that's a large L-shaped couch with end tables and some sort of piece of furniture behind it. We have miscellaneous decorations over there. We have an original piece of art over there. We have a needlepoint, more original art. We have ancient art over here, minimally 50 years old, antiques.
Minimum, you're kidding. Closer to 100.
Okay.
50 years here.
Okay, they're closer to 100 years old, imported from Austria. Each one a signed masterpiece.
Needlepoint.
That's a needlepoint.
Must be also 70, 80 years old.
And this one is just Don Quixote and his faithful whatever. And this is a piece of mahogany furniture. And behind us we have the curio cabinet, which has pieces of cut crystal in it, imported from, or taken Czechoslovakia, brought with us when we came over here or left there in 1939. Okay.
guy in Booker Master. We left in 1938. Actually, I left in 38. We left for
Sorry.
Europe in 41.
Well, I said
It's all right.
originally moved in 38 or 39. And here is a piece of original art, which is kind of interesting. I've always felt this is worth something. It's by Hugo Charland. And here, with this picture, I like the little Jewish rabbi. This is also
Like a
minimally
Jewish rabbi.
50 or 60 years old. I have no idea. All right. And here we have the entrance foyer. We have a picture display over here. We have the family, yes. Irreplaceable pictures, of course, as most are. And we have an entrance closet, which is probably filled with clothes. Would be my guess. Sure is. Okay. Got it. And we have a hand. Hi, how you doing? Oh no. Movable assets. Here's Adam.
Hey!
And now we're heading this way down the hall. We have-
Go into the workroom. You can go near that. There's nothing in there.
Here's just a bathroom. There's nothing. Whoops. Who's that guy in the mirror? And a shower, tiled shower, full tiled shower. We have electrical work in the ceiling that was done. Light fixture.
Still not interesting.
Is there another lawn chair? I can sit on that side.
What's it?
A lawn chair?
A lounge.
Yeah.
You gotta get one from the garage.
Oh.
This is just, when Mom used to work, this is the stuff. We stored it here. We have a sewing machine. And if I go here far enough, there will be another sewing machine. Yep, there it is. Let's see. This one is a Singer. Yep. And this one is, and I don't know, I'll try to lift the cover. It's a Rika. This is a zigzag machine that's programmable. And this is just a sorted mishmash, another desk. And assorted household goods. Now this is a sleeper sofa under here. I know you really can't see it, but there it is. So there's a sleeper sofa, assorted household goods, another mirror, and another chest of drawers,
You look at all the junk. It's ridiculous.
and a cordless telephone base and a telephone answering machine. It'll be very quiet.
You put the light on there?
No. Linen closet. The bedroom, we have a ceiling fan, window treatments, wall treatments, picture, wall treatments, TV, VCR, chest of drawers, closet filled with clothes. A wheelchair, bathroom, fully tiled, miscellaneous health equipment, new cabinet, new sink, new floor.
No,